Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you along my thought process for no waste birthday. My daughter Caroline turns 1 in a week. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And I of course decided to plan for her beautiful fun birthday party, but I don't want to have any balloons, any plastic. I also wanted to be budget friendly, and I decided to use everything that I have in the house and just DIY couple stuff, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Go Ken. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you care about sustainability and you love minimalism, you're in the right place. And today we will learn a little bit more about how to create sustainable decor for a birthday. And let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about this beautiful piece for table. I think it's gonna look really nice, and I just used some stuff from my pantry for it that I bought in bulk and we can't finish it. So here's some lentils, rice, and black beans. Look how beautiful it looks. And also these beautiful flowers I dried myself. I really wanted to buy them so I don't spend my precious time on, figuring out how to make this, but I'm so glad I did, because in a store where I bought these dried flowers were $37 for twice as much, and I was like, ooh, this is expensive a little bit. I went to a grocery store and I bought these, and I hanged them upside down outside, and we had a couple of really hot days in Chicago, and it dried so well. I'm so amazed and I'm so excited. I'm gonna do some more, I think. This is the first piece. Second one, it's over here. I'm really excited how this turned out. This is a bottle from my favorite kombucha. I cleaned it up with this special stuff. I will show it right here so you know. And it was so easy. And yeah, these flowers just gorgeous, aren't they? It's gonna be in the same table like this first piece. I have 2 of them. Let's put them aside. Okay, now we're gonna decorate our silverware. Not all the silverware will be the same because I want to use only what we have, but the majority of it will look like so. Just wrapped it around it. Now I want to decorate it with some flowers. Okay, cut everything that's sticking out, and here you go. Ta-da! And so later I will repurpose these little chunks for Christmas decor and flowers. If guests want to take it with them, they can. They also decompose if we will trash them, but I will try my best to collect them later and create a little stationery decor for our house. So now I want to create decoration for a cake. Like here on this picture, and I sketched a little, this on a paper. Now I'm gonna re-sketch it on a cardboard so it's solid, and then I'm gonna decorate it, and let's see what happens. So this decoration I was making when baby was asleep, so I couldn't speak. And right now baby is asleep, so I'm trying to speak quietly in my microphone. But anyways, I decided to create something really special for Photo Zone, so I came up with the idea of making this handmade garland. As you can see, it has pictures, and under the picture you can see a month which the picture was taken, and it just turned out so beautiful. I'm so grateful for my mother-in-law that helped me to cut these circles and write the numbers on them, because I couldn't get to it. It was just so time consuming, but it turned out so beautiful and I was just so happy with it. So now we had to get ready cornices for charcuterie cups, and this is what my mother-in-law doing. She did such a great job. She did them so well and so fast. So now she's cutting a second layer for them because we needed to make it waterproof in case of olives and cornichons leakage. They were holding on so well and they looked so good. So this is how our appetizer table looked like. Just very simple, you know, with some hummus and charcuterie cups. And second table was with water and some plates and silverware, stuff like that. It was very important for us to use what we have so we don't waste anything. And here you see me finishing up some last minute touches, bringing some toys for kids. They had so much fun. I was so happy to see them just having a blast. Hopefully this video inspired you to make some DIYs for your next birthday party and birthday party with your family member. I really hope I gave you some new ideas that you can use in the future. But that's it for today, and thank you so much for being here until the end, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.